Today we're gonna repot this massive ponytail palm. Can you see me? This thing's so cool, and it's going to my house. So I've got this, move it out of the way, this cool terracotta scratched rim pot that it's gonna go into. It's a little bit big, but I like big pots, and I cannot lie. Now the reason I am repotting this one is because look how big the trunk is. It's taking up almost the entire pot. So it's gonna go to a bigger size pot. I'm curious as to what's going on inside that pot. So let's take a look at these roots and see what it looks like. I'm just gonna squeeze, oh my gosh, it is tight in there. Like, I don't even know if this pot's gonna come off without cutting it. Let's see. It is like stretching this pot. Yeah, we might have to cut this pot off. Just look at the bulges of the roots bulging out on this pot. That's crazy. All right, let's do this. All right, loosen it up and whoa, that is a lot of roots. That's crazy. I'm just gonna pull some of this back, see what, get some of this loose dirt off the top and loosen these a little bit without breaking roots. This is so cool looking. You guys wanna see the bottom? I wanna see the bottom. Let's look. Oh, wow. Okay, so I'm gonna loosen this up a little bit. I don't think we have to go too crazy. I don't wanna break a ton of roots. I'm not gonna bare root it or anything. Now these roots are like not loosening up at all over here. So what I might do is just do a little bit of vertical slitting, and that's gonna promote new root growth. I'm not gonna go crazy, but just a little bit to kind of break up this hardness of the sides. And everywhere I cut it, those roots will actually branch out and make some new roots that'll go out into the new soil. Okay, now let's prep the pot. This is Lambert potting soil. It's a great all-purpose potting soil. Now, if this were for a customer, I would probably add more perlite to this or some decomposed granite to help with drainage, because a lot of customers tend to overwater their ponytail palms. But I'm just gonna use this straight in this case because it's going to my house. I'm not gonna overwater this plant. Let's check the fit. Let's see what our height looks like. I think that's just about right. So I just want to make sure that it's nice and centered and straight, and then I'm going to backfill around it and we'll be done. I changed my mind. I'm going to raise it up about 1 inch because I want to see more of the trunk once it's filled in. So I'm just going to backfill, get out of there, under it a little bit. Might have gone a little too much. Now that'll work. All right, now we're gonna get it straight and then backfill around it and we're done. Make sure it's straight, all angles. And is it in the center? Nope. The most important part. I gotta stare at this thing every day. Okay. Should have put it in a ponytail. All these leaves, so they'd be out of the way. Can you do that with a ponytail palm? All right, take a look at her in her new pot. She looks super good. It's a little more proportional. Now, normally I would water it in right now, but I'm about to take it home and I don't want it to be all soggy, so I'm gonna water it once I get home. Oof.